Get ready to test your grammar. This quiz is at the A2 level. There are 10 questions in this quiz. You will have 10 seconds to think of the answer. Keep your score on a piece of paper. Leave a comment and tell me how you did. Let's go. You must not drink and then a car. Lead, drive, take, guide. Drive. Please be when you cross the road. Careless, carefree, caring, careful. Careful. Do what you like. I really don't. Concern, interested, dislike, mind. Mind. If you want to that book, remember to bring it back. Borrow, lend, loan, owe. Borrow. When your train arrives, you from the station. Take, bring, fetch, remove. Fetch. I always get early in the summer. Up, over, through, on. Up. When you first meet someone, you usually shake them the hand. With, on, in, by. By the hand. I have never her before. Saw, seeing, seen, see. Seen. I have never seen. The teacher asked her students to do their housework, homework, home duty, house job. Homework. Do their homework. The police officer told the children always to tell the true, facts, information, truth. Truth. Come again next week for another quiz. If you're getting a high score, you're ready to go to the B1 level quizzes.